to swap this strut out. I got both of them. So, fairly easy job. 2 mounting bolts on the bottom. Got the bracket for the ABS, so don't damage that. For the sway bar link, disconnect that. Then you got 3 bolts at the top. And to remove the sway bar link, it should take a torque bit. It look like a star, goes in the middle. Put a wrench on it and just unloosen it. And just a tip, when you're taking the bolts off the top, don't unloosen them all the way, because as you see, once the bottom is undone, you unloosen all these, it's just going to drop. So just leave one in and thread it out when you're ready for it to fall. Just to show you this, the top mount is not a complete circle, so it goes one way. So can't mess that up, but sometimes you should mark it just so you can match up the old one to the new one. See the bracket for the lines, ABS connector is still there. So be careful not to damage anything. And sometimes you might have to put a bungee cord or something on the spindle. You know, sometimes, I mean, depending on the car. And you don't want to pull the brake line, but the spindle will extend so far. It'll pull the brake line. If your ABS line connected, pull that in. Sometimes it can pull the CV joint out. So just be careful with that. Easiest way to install the strut again is reverse of what you did when you take it up. You slide it up there and you just put one nut on there just to secure it. And then once you get down here, tighten it up, then you finish tightening up here. Alright, everything back on. Top is in, bottom bolts, ABS bracket, everything's back connected. Sway bar link is on. So easy breezy. Job like this, I'll charge $150 a side. So $300 for the front, $300 for the back. Everything's tightened up.